Hi, I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax. We're at the Pompano Yacht Center. Today we're on board the Azimut 66 Magellano, named after the famous Italian explorer Magellan, the first to navigate the world. This boat is all about the enjoyment of being comfortable on the water. Take in the luxurious Italian design, seating for 6, a large, spacious galley with a 4-burner Miele stovetop, Miele dual convection oven microwave, large refrigerator, dual freezer. At the lower helm, which there are 2 on this boat, one on the flybridge, one down below, we've got dual Raymarine chart plotters, joystick steering, Volvo Penta engine displays, bow and stern thruster, and don't forget your Seakeeper for stability. Okay, so going down below, you're going to notice a nice mix of different luxurious materials. The Italian design and style goes throughout the entire Azimut line. We're coming into the VIP, and you'll notice that any of your guests would be very happy to spend time on here. The boat is a 4-cabin layout. And coming back through down the hall, just to point out a couple different things. You've got your washer and dryer, conveniently located. And now we'll come back here to the master cabin. The focus of this boat is the experience. Some of the features include the double chine dual mode hull, Volvo D13 engines. We stated earlier the 4-cabin layout, but the Italian style and design. Remember, the boat also has a Seakeeper for stability, so all your family will be safe and comfortable. Wanted to thank you for your time. I'm Brian Herman for MarineMax. Come see us at the Pompano Yacht Center. We'd love to share some of these boats with you.